Hello guys, welcome back to our channel CodeZenith, our ultimate coding buddy. If you have watched our previous video, I hope you're all clear with print, input and variables which are used in the Python. If not, just don't worry, you can check the link which is given in the description below so that you'll be clear with this video and it will be easier to understand in this video. So come on, without lagging the video, let's start today's topics. So today we'll be discussing about the basic data types in the Python and also the type conversions of these basic data types in the code. So first, as you can see, there are four different types of data types: int, float, string and boolean. If we talk about the basic usage of these data types, firstly let's talk about the integer. Integer is denoted as int, and this int is used for whole numbers. Float is used for decimal numbers, and string is used for writing words, letters or sentences or paragraphs. Okay, this is written in double quotes. Boolean, it has only two things. One is true and false. It just says true or false. Then now let's see it with a short example. Okay, now come on, let's create a short example and we'll also check how to print the type of this. To do this, first, as you all know how to make the variables, first let's take a in the format of int. As I said, int takes values of only the whole numbers, not the decimal numbers. Next, we'll create a variable and give it value in the float format 1 2 3. Next, c, this will be our string variable which will be written in the double quotes. Python. Now the last basic data type, which is boolean. Okay, true, true. Now this is how you write the data types in the Python using a variables. Now to type the print of these variables, to print the data types of these variables, we have a simple statement like print type of a. Okay, now in the same way we need to write for all type of b, print type of c, print type of d. Now if we run it, we can see the data types of our variables which are generated by us. So see, first let's check it. First we gave a is integer, the whole number format. See now what happens if we write here dot same thing like 2 3 4 5 something. Then if we run this again, see this converts into float. As I said, decimal number is only taken in the float. Now this is the basic thing, like how to use the data types in the programming. Now we will learn how to convert the data types from one data type to another data type. To convert, first let's take an example. Okay, the example, like we are inputting some age. Okay, we are inputting some age. Input enter the age. Okay, now age is a number, like age is a whole number thing. It does not have decimal number. It is directly presented in the format of whole number. So now if we print type of age, what will be the data type of age? This is what we need to see, right? First to change it. Now let's just run it. By coming down, we'll be writing some age of 21. See, 21 is taken as string, but in the above code, here what happens if we remove this and run this again? See, a is equals to 10. The type of a is integer, but in type conversion, while we take the input of age, see this, what happens here? This is taken as string, but now we need to convert this, right? So to convert this, we will take again age variable int of input. Enter age. Okay, now again we'll write this print of type age. Then we need to run this. See, first let's write the age of 21. What is this? String. But now if we write the same age 21, it is taken as int. This is how you convert string to integer. To convert this into string, we does not need to specify the data types. It's directly taken in the format of string. So if you need to convert this into float, let's just copy this and change here float. Okay, now if we run this, let's just give some age like 23. See, the first one is string because we did not give or specify any data type. Now for the second one, let's give some 21. This is taken as int because we had specified the data type for this variable as int. In the next thing, we'll again give some age. See, now this is taken as float because we have a specifier float data type in the code. This is how the type conversion works. So now let's solve a basic question. Now let's do it. First, for two numbers, we'll be making variables like number 1 and number 2. Okay, now we need to give input, right? To give the input, here are two numbers. It might be int or float, so better give it as float. Then input, enter the first number. Same again, float, input, enter the second number. Now to add this, let's keep some like result variable, then num1 plus num2. Now let's run this. Enter the first number, then if we enter the second number, we can see our output here. This is our result. This is how you need to calculate two numbers by giving input, and you also need to convert the data types. See, if you remove this, and if you give 21, 23, see this, what happens here? This is called string concatenation. This we will see in our next videos. So guys, I hope you all understand this video. Like, share and subscribe, and also don't the bell icons to get the latest updates.